Hello friends, today's recipe banana leaf meal which I have prepared for Akshaya Tritiya. You can see it, the recipes we are going to see now. First of all, I am going to prepare puri. Take 2 cup of wheat atta. I am not using maida, I won't use much, probably I will try to avoid. Half cup of suji. Then add salt as per the taste. I used to use pink salt. Sugar also I have added, and add the oil and mix it well. If you add suji, the puris will become crispy, so I like crispy puris, soft and crispy. So I have added the suji. Mix it well. Don't make very rough kind of atta dough. You can make it soft. Add the oil upper of the dough so it will be soft. Keep this one, whatever you have prepared puri dough, on 10 to 20 minutes aside. So now 20 minutes done, you can see how soft it is. So make the small balls of this dough. You can cut it, or you can make, if you know the size, it can come the same size. So make it round shape, give it round shape. So make all balls round. Keep it aside. Now we start preparation of puri. How to prepare? We can take oil. Give the round shape. We are preparing in oil, so use oil only. If you use atta, it will be dry, and that will all atta will live in oil, so oil will be destroyed, and that won't look good also. So I use oil only. Sometime I use atta, so I am telling this my experience. You can make the puris thick. If you make very thin, it will come like crispy, and it won't be give proper shape. I will show you my first puri become like that. So next puris are become a bulge. It is a puffy kind of. So you can see it. I will prepare 1 2 3 puris and I'll start to fry it. The dough become very soft, it will go easily. I can spread. Make it a little bit thick, otherwise it won't bulge. Puffy it won't be. So you can see it. Hey guys, please watching my videos, you can hit my like button and share and subscribe. You can comment me the recipes, how I'm preparing, anything you have suggestions or anything difference. So you please watch all the videos, because this is some of the recipes are my own trial and error, so you can watch that. See, this puri I made bit thin, so it is not bulged properly, but the taste is very nice. You can try it once. Whatever the shape, also the taste is nice. So this is also one side bulged. It should be bulged properly, but not bulged. Okay, 90% is fine. 90, not 80% this side. This is first puri. Now onwards it will become a bit good. See, you can see this puri. So how to fry in oil, deep fry, you can see it. I will use olive oil. You can use refined oil, whatever oil you have. So whenever preparing, you can keep upper side oil like this, so it will bulge easily. You can see it. So how you are doing, while doing one by one puri, it will start bulging and it will give puffy shapes. So this is almost perfect. Puris are ready. So you can try to see how soft it is, how crispy it is, not even sticky. You can try it once. This is the puri recipe. I hope you like this. Now we'll go for black chana gravy. How to prepare this is all prepared one day only. It will take hard work. So guys, please share, like, subscribe, and you can try it once. Really, it was very tasty. This is a black chana. In our side, they will give in temple. You can see the chana as a prasadam they will give. So I prepared as a gravy kind of. People used to use white chana, but I tried with the black chana. Take a kadai, use oil, use all the masalas like jeera, chilies, garlic. Keep in oil, saute it properly. Keep curry leaves and closing immediately because the oil will come out and it will destroy my camera. It has happened a lot of times, so I started closing this. So you can also use the same trick if you don't want to destroy your costly mobiles. So add onion. This is a square cube cut onion. You can add it, saute it well. This, try it guys. This chana gravy is really awesome. Instead of using white chana, you can use black chana, which is the full of protein and healthy. I have added the bay leaf, red chilies, lavang, means clove. All I have added. With that, I have added the tomatoes. Tomatoes will obviously, it will give little bit tasty. It will be like sour taste. Mix it well. You can see the tomatoes are cooked. Add 1 teaspoon, 1 or 1.5 teaspoon garam masala, half small spoon turmeric, and 2 small spoons red chili powder. For the color purpose, I used to use Kashmiri lal, and tamarind water, which you have to keep tamarind before only. And this is a black chana which I have cooked already before only, because night you have to soak into the water and morning you can cook it. You can prepare the gravy. You have to soak it first. It will take time. So night I have kept in water. Morning I have cooked in cooker with 7-8 vessels, and then I removed water and smashed it. And I kept water separately and this smashed black chana separately. Now I have added black chana. With that I have added the water whichever I have cooked. Don't throw that water. That is a very healthy. So almost it is ready. Add coriander. You can see the guide. The taste is very awesome. You can eat with puri, chapati. You can eat with roti. The taste is very awesome. Now the next recipe is srikhand, which is, I will show you the recipe. My favorite sweet, my favorite dessert. So how to prepare srikhand? It is occasionally I used to prepare weekly once or twice. We have to take a cotton cloth. In that you have to tie the curd. Night time you have to tie the curd. Whatever you have curd, you have to tie. That water should go out. It should not stay. It would stay only whatever left over the solid. So this is the curd solid. There is no water. You can see it look like very creamy. The sourness will go. Water is completely gone. You can see how it is looking. So now take a mixie. You can mix by hand also or spoon also. I am using mixie. Add the milk. I have added milk cream also. In this you have to add sugar only, because there is no option. You cannot add jaggery. You have to add sugar, otherwise taste won't come. So I have added very little sugar. Cardamom. You can smash the cardamom and take. I have added like directly. So almost I did mixie, and you can check it how the smoothness came. It looked like very smooth. Now this is the kesar water. I have kept kesar before only in water, so I will mix in shrikhand. Shrikhand most probably in Maharashtrian dish, I think, but I like that. I used to prepare weekly once or twice. So take dry fruits. If you want, you can add pista, you can add whatever you have, dry fruits, whatever I used to like I am using. So take a pan or kadai, small kadai, take a oil. No, sorry, this is a ghee actually, because we have to fry dry fruits. Oil don't fry, it won't be taste. This is a ghee, and fry it properly and mix it in whatever we have prepared, the srikhand. The taste will be very nice. You use the dry fruits and ghee also, whatever you have, you just keep it and apply the whatever kesar water, mix it, and our srikhand is ready. You can try it, guys. This is my way, whatever I have prepared. I didn't see any videos or nothing, because we are preparing this from childhood onwards. We know very well how it will be taste. So you can try it, guys, and tell me how is the taste and how it will be. So next recipe is curd rice. You can see the curd rice, see the color, texture. It's a juicy thing. It is really really tasty. You can try it once. This is all recipes I have prepared in one day and shooted one day. It will take very hard time. I am standing continuously 3 to 4 hours and I am doing this all. So you can understand my hard work here. I'm not telling just because I have a small child also. With that I'm preparing this. So take a pan, take a ghee, add urad dal, chana dal, mustard, fry it well, and I have as well as office also. So each and every work I used to take care. Add jeera, mix it well. Now you can add ginger, garlic and chili paste. If you want to do mixie, you can do mixie, but I like crushed by in stone only, so I used to use, instead of paste I will do half crush only. Now curry leaves, this masala you have to add in whatever we are preparing curd rice. Take a bowl. I have cooked rice already. I have prepared for it. Now add salt as per the taste. So whatever we have prepared the tadka, you can add it. Curd, you can take it now. See, you can add curd how much you want as per the consistency. If you want, you can add milk also. If you are keeping long time, you can add the milk also. I will tell you how our side they will prepare the butti, which is the rice only. It is a curd rice, one kind of curd rice only. I will show you. That is a little bit different way. So add the finely chopped coriander and mix it well. So our curd rice is ready. You can see it is ready to eat. Try it once, guys. This is a very simple recipe. Now we are going the next recipe, onion budgy. This is, we can call khekda budgy also. Khekda means it look like a khekda crab, so we can call like that. Take onion. I have taken 3 onion, long cutted. Add the salt and mix it well, and keep this one 10 minutes, so it will release its own water, and that water, if you mix the chana flour, it will be very very tasty. So 10 minutes I kept, a little bit is released the water. So this is the mixture of omkar, jeera and red chili, green chili. This is a finely chopped coriander. This is curry leaves. Omkar, don't miss it, that is it will give taste. Jeera also, but it has to be crushed, otherwise it won't give taste. I have taken 2 cup of besan. So mix it well. If you mix it with spoon, it won't mix it properly. You can try it once if you want. our hand only it will mix properly, because that whatever we have applied salt to onion, it should be mixed with all the basin. So you can mix it well, you can see it. Add salt as per the taste. Salt you have to check and add, because already we have added with onion, so you have to check and add turmeric, color will come good. If you want chili powder, red chili powder, you can add, otherwise you can skip it. I like spicy food, so I used to add red chili powder, as well as color will come very nice. So I have used to prepare, I have used to add this all. So oil was finished, so I have taken again. So take a pan, oil, hot it, check it is hot or not. It should be hot, the flame should be high, because bhaji starting we are keeping, it should be high. Then later, after it is fried one level, you can keep sim on medium level. So it is oil is already hot. So keep the bhajis, give the any shape you want. This is like a crab bhaji, kekda bhaji, onion bhaji. The bhajis are very awesome. You just try it specifically in rainy time, whenever rain should come outside and you have to take. Actually that day was rainy only in Bangalore, so rainy time you can try it. Pakoda, onion bhaji with the 1 cup of tea. That is a very interesting. So my onion bhajis are ready. You can see the color, you can see the texture. It should be crispy. I don't like soft, I like crispy, so I will make like that. If you want soft also, you can prepare it. You can use less onions and you can prepare it. I used to use more onion because I like this kind of bhajis. Try it once guys, this is very tasty. No need to go outside and eat. Just this is very simple and very easy to prepare. So try it. Almost our bhajis are ready. You can see the color. Seeing only it will be mouth watering kind of. Try it once. There is no difficulties in any whatever I have prepared the recipes. It is a very simple. You can try it. Now I am going to show how to serve in our banana leaves, which is my favorite. In 5-star hotel also, if I eat, I won't get this satisfaction eating with banana leaves. This is a very awesome feeling. So take a banana leaf, clean it with tissue, apply water to clean with tissue. First of all, we have to keep for salt, that is a basic sense. Then pickle, chutneys, whatever we have. This is a flaxseed chutney, first one. Second one is a gural chutney. Third one is a groundnut and garlic chutney. This is I have prepared all, but not that day, before day only I have prepared. This is a curd. If you see, I will feel mouth watering to eat. And this is a srikhand, whatever I have prepared. Puris. I used to search in all over Bangalore where I will get banana leaf food, so I used to go and eat. Now I have only started preparing curd rice. Now normal rice. That is not coming, I just pressed hard. Now keep ghee on it. Now a little bit rasam. Chilies, fried chilies for rice. Papad, which is a urad dal papad. And this is a sandige, rice sandige they will call. I don't know English word, what is that. This is actually rice they will prepare, and they will prepare the sandige. So that is it. So this is the perfect thali. Thank you for watching the guys. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.